What's up, Alex O Crypto here, coming at you with another video here about greed. Now, we know trading can be a lucrative activity and it can bring in lots of profits if we manage to short and long and grab all these beautiful trades that we've talked about many times on this channel. But we also know if we're focused way too much on that big bag of money, we can make impulsive decisions and end up hurting our portfolios because one of the main reasons is due to greed. So my first point here when dealing with greed is that we have to set realistic goals. Now, depending on your margin, how much money you're trading with, and your risk with your price, that depends on what you're willing to make and what you're willing to lose, all in the same bunch. Now, when I trade, I typically look for a 3-to-1 ratio trade in order to secure profits and be able to continue to trade and preserve my capital in the long term. So having a long-term outlook on trading is a key to longevity in this. Now, we also talk about having a trading plan. Right? So my second point would be having a good trading plan in order to stay away from greed and stick to this plan. When you stick to a plan, it stops us from FOMOing into trades. It stops us from chasing price, whether it's going up and we see a big candle like this coming up and we're just missing it. And then all of a sudden we go in and then the price drops right down. How many times have we done that? I've done that, especially as a new trader. Right? When I'm at work as a carpenter, I'm looking at price and I'm like, oh man, I want to make that bag. I want to secure the money, right? And then all of a sudden, boom, price goes in the opposite direction. I feel anxious. I feel like crap. And I wonder, why am I even doing this, right? So when we have a realistic goal, we have a trading plan, we can stay away from the greed and be more realistic with what is to come out of the prices, right? So also we want to focus on the process. So when we focus on the process, not the outcome, what does that mean? That means we're sticking to our plan, we're staying disciplined, and we're not jumping in to price like I was talking about before. How can we do that? Well, I think one of the key things that I've learned, especially trading throughout this bear market and all the crazy price action and the big dumps and the big pumps, is that I need to take a break sometimes. I need to step back from the charts. Yes, I'm here every day giving you guys my ideas, but for me, I need to just not press that buy or sell button. I need to step away from the charts and take a break. And don't be afraid to take a break. I mean, it's always going to be here. It's not like it's going to disappear. I mean, investing versus trading are two different things, right? So be sure to check the charts, but don't have to be trading every single day. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Now that brings me to my last and final point, and that is patience. How many times did Mrs. Otter tell me, Alex O Crypto, you need to be more patient. You're chasing price. You need to get on those charts and wait for the price to get to you, right? With a plan and checking price and having an idea of where price is going to go, I'm able to jump into charts, take a step back, have a perspective, and practice patience, right? Price can go wherever it wants to go, but if I'm being patient and watching price action, I can find the best trades possible to ensure to put the odds in my favor, and allow me to stay away from greed. That is the thing that I'm talking about here, is that we have to stay away from greed. So in summary, trading without greed requires realistic goals, developing a trading plan, focusing on the process, taking breaks when needed, and practicing patience. My last and final one is to make sure you pay yourself early. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Much love to everyone. Bye.